ERISA stands for the Employee Retirement Income Security Act, and it was a federal law that was passed in the early 1970s, which was supposed to make it more affordable for employers to be able to offer long-term disability coverage as well as health insurance for employees. In reality, in my personal opinion, what happened is that a lot of individuals, while they got a low price for this type of coverage, they actually get somewhat screwed in the end with the administrative process. I personally feel that ERISA is an unfair law. It's a pro-insurance company law, and it really puts insureds' backs against the wall when it comes time to file a claim. A couple differences between a private claim and an ERISA claim. Number one, and probably the biggest problem with ERISA, is that you're not entitled to a jury trial when a claim is governed by ERISA. So, which essentially means if you don't have a right to a jury trial, that means that a judge is going to make the decision for you. And it gets even more complicated than that. When the judge is asked to make a decision after a person has exhausted all of their appeals, the judge has to decide, did the insurance company act in an arbitrary or capricious manner? Basically, the judge is asked, did the insurance company act reasonably? For an insurance company to go ahead and act reasonably, they basically just have to have a person's medical records reviewed, possibly speak to their doctor. It's a very low threshold for the insurance company, which makes it an easy threshold for them to overcome, so that when it gets to the court and a judge is asked, did the insurance company act unreasonably, usually 8 out of 10 times the judge has to find that they acted reasonably, even if he thinks the person's disabled.